Hello, guys, very good day. Welcome to Knowledge Power. I hope you all are doing well today. Today, we are going to see how you can install dual WhatsApp in your Android phone without using any third party application. All you need to do, go to settings of your phone. When you click on that, you just need to scroll down to extensions. If you don't have extensions option, it's okay. You can go and search in your settings, write dual app. If your phone having this option, you just need to click on that dual app, and now it gives you what applications it available here for dual. I already have dual Facebook that I am using without any third party app. Now I want to use another number on WhatsApp in the same phone. So I click on install WhatsApp. Now it gives you the information. A copy of WhatsApp will be installed when you click on install. Let's do it. Now I do have WhatsApp copy also. When I go back, you can see here is the WhatsApp. How I can use it? Let's see. When I click on that, it's a brand new WhatsApp option now. Although I already have the WhatsApp in my phone, but it's a second WhatsApp that I can use it from the scratch. I select language and then I go further, and now you see it gives me an option to enter my number and get the new WhatsApp on the same phone without using any third party app. I hope you guys like this video also. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.